into my dream. Let me show you where I've been. It's you and me I've seen. Let me tell you what I mean.
This is my garden. Grasshoppers flying all over the place everywhere we walk. Yuck! Got on my mouth! Okay, so I've been knocking the grasshoppers off my squash because they're, as you can see, eating it. Eating all the leaves. And then I noticed, okay, over here on the fence, let's see if I can get close enough to the fence before they start flying. Can you see them? Just sitting on the fence. Maybe they're on top of poles. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, they're starting to hop. Can you see them all sitting on that fence? On the T-post and everything? I closed my mouth this time. What's wrong with They're just lined up on the fence. Good grief. Here's my asparagus. Hey, that doesn't look good. Here's my butterfly bush. Completely stripped. I'm just hanging out. Up high enough where the chickens can't get them. I'm going to continue walking down from this big mass of grasshoppers. There's the asparagus. Guinea's down here. Can't reach the top of the fence. Do you see them on that post? Isn't that disgusting? Look up in the tree. You can't see them very well, but they're all over the mesquite tree too. Just sitting there. Zoom in. Back down to the fence.